Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLE 63 AMG S. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath it, it's a V8 twin turbo pushing out 577 horsepower and 561 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Also included is the AMG Night package, which is going to give you a high gloss black exterior trim. V8 twin turbo badging. A black exclusive Napa leather interior with gray stitching interior. Panorama sunroof. In the back we've got heated rear seats. Coming around back we've got a trailer hitch. AMG GLE 63S badging. Also included is the AMG exhaust. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 3 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a carbon fiber trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel, pre-safe, active brake assist, steering assist. We've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. Let's go ahead and hear that AMG exhaust. Also we've got navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE has 40,810 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 63S, check out feldmanimports.com.